दिल्ली कभी भी सेफ नहीं था.
It's like no place is safe. Basically, it's just the precautions you have to take. Delhi is like the center, right? So obviously every little thing that happens, it's just like really highlighted that way.
I think Delhi remains the same, but the awareness levels have increased. There are many girls who are now interested in doing self-defense training by the Delhi police, but there are a lot of things that need to be done.
I often go back home in the metro like 10:30. Always empty. I've never seen a woman in there, and so I can't say people. I can't say maybe it's just the trains I'm riding, but no. But I can't say I think women feel safer because I think they still feel there's danger out there.
It is safer because people are more aware and they are more empathetic towards girls, because even the slightest case where a girl is raising a voice, like even in the bus, if someone's teasing you or someone's being unnaturally close to you, then everyone around the girl will at least make an effort to make sure that she's safe.
Have you ever felt eve-teasing or molestation?
Of course. All of us travel through metro. जिस टाइम मैंने ये चीज़ सफ़र किया 6th स्टैंडर्ड में 7th स्टैंडर्ड में, तब मेरे लिए शायद किसी ने इतना सपोर्ट नहीं किया मुझे. अब बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन अब अगर मेरे सामने ऐसा कुछ होता है तो मैं obviously step लेती हूँ.
Well, that has happened with me, so I just stare back, and usually they look away. Sometimes they don't, and you're just like in a fix, like I don't know what to do.
Eve teasing, you just learn to ignore it. But if somebody is actually bothering you and not letting go, obviously you have to raise a voice and create a scene, because that's the only way they are inhibited. So they stop and they just make way for you.
See, me mostly is the education. Like children from a young age, especially boys, they need to be taught to respect women. Again, it all comes into how the child is groomed. That's what I feel.
The whole society has to change in the mindset, and the kind of discrimination that all of us have faced through our childhood, I think now is the high time that nobody should face that discrimination.
I'll say, yeah, there are precautions taken, like so many apps have come out after that, no doubt. But yeah, it's up to you. I mean, and plus obviously, again, sex education, more of, like educating the children since you're like teenagers, everything, that all comes into play.